Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce liability insurance rates with Liberty Mutual, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reduce your liability insurance rates with Liberty Mutual, start by gathering your current insurance policy documents. Take note of your coverage limits and deductibles. Visit the Liberty Mutual website to access their insurance quote tool. Enter your details accurately, including your location and type of coverage you need. Compare your current rates with the quotes provided by Liberty Mutual. Consider adjusting your coverage limits to suit your needs better. Explore bundling options, such as combining auto and home insurance for additional discounts. Ask about available discounts based on your occupation, affiliations, or membership in certain organizations. Review your claims history and avoid making unnecessary claims to lower your rates. Consider increasing your deductible, as higher deductibles can lead to lower premium costs. Maintain a good credit score as it plays a role in your insurance rates. Participate in safe driving programs or other initiatives that demonstrate your responsible behavior. Regularly review and shop around for new quotes to ensure you are getting the best rates available. Reach out to a Liberty Mutual agent for personalized advice tailored to your situation. Document all communications with your insurance representative for future reference. Evaluate your coverage needs annually to make adjustments as your life circumstances change. By following these steps, you can effectively work towards reducing your liability insurance rates with Liberty Mutual. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.